finna go. I don't know what I'm about to get into, but y'all about to come with me. We finna get into something today. I look too cute to be in a house. The weather is beautiful out. Like, weather is beautiful. I'm beautiful. Sun's glistening. I mean, yeah. Let's go have us a good day. I'm at the movies. I'm about to go see. Oh shit! I'm dropping all my stuff. Ugh. Got the 3D glasses, and I'm about to go see. I'm all on the ground. I'm about to go see the Transformers movie that just came out in 3D. Oh, it's lit.
Wendy's Frosty. It's cool.
The counselor said to private. He cannot send or receive DMs, and only his friends can comment. So he can post away.
So, Dad, how old do you have to be to get
Never
a
set this low before.
Team safety settings on by default.
First time wearing 3D glasses, y'all. Oh! I'm so smooth with it. Smooth with it.
Team Sonic's immediate assistance. Project Shadow is far beyond anything we've ever encountered. Shadow's story began a lot like your Sonic. But where you found family and friends, Shadow found only pain.
2 days later. Yo. It's 2 days later, y'all. Forgot to close out the last video, but I did absolutely nothing yesterday, so wouldn't have mattered. And then today I've been cleaning out the storage, the shed. I'll show y'all what that's looking like. And now I'm about to go to Walmart, pick up some more stuff for the short storage shed, and What else am I gonna go get? Oh, I gotta go get some groceries from Publix. I'm going to Walmart to get that other stuff. Then I'm going to Publix to get some, you know, this little fast that I plan on doing, or this diet fast, whatever that I'm coming up with. And yeah, oh shoot, my bad, y'all. After that, I'm gonna come back, hook up the space. I think I don't have it before, but I'll kind of, I mean, everybody knows what a storage room typically is used for, storage, right? So it was storage stuff all over the place. Wasn't organized, wasn't nothing in the front half of the sector. I told y'all I was gonna turn it into, well, I already had like a salon back there, but we ended up getting more storage stuff. I said I was gonna put some barber stuff back there, so I kind of had to really put that stuff behind the little curtain. I'll show y'all what it's looking like now after I've kind of did what I did, and then I'll show y'all what it's looking like after all day. That's it, just been cleaning. Probably gonna be finishing washing clothes, cleaning my room, cleaning the bathroom, just a whole bunch of cleaning and stuff because I'm back at work come tomorrow. What else? Yeah, that's about it. I'll show y'all me putting the fruits and veggies and all in the jars and stuff, and that'll be it for the day. My whole day's gone cleaning and organizing and all that. But sometimes you gotta take time out to do that, and today was the day. Sunday little reset, you know. What else? I feel like I'm missing something to tell y'all, or it might be something else I want to get my toes in. We'll see if I can fit that in today. I can always clean tonight, but yeah, let's see if I can get my toes in. See if I have time. Go pick up these things and run and get my toes done really quick. Gosh, my face. My face is breaking out. So I'm gonna go on and order Curology again. First time I did Curology, did a great job, and I'll kind of talk about this in another video. But yeah, I think I'm gonna reorder some Curology, and y'all see the progress, because it does a phenomenal job. Curology is great. I just stopped using it, and as you can see, I shouldn't have. But yeah, I'm done rambling. Bye. So this is my first time washing my car after getting it fixed. So this will be the determining factor if I need to take it back to the paint shop, because I've already had to take it back once before. I'm gonna take it back again. Still something going on with my door, and I feel like I hear water pressure, so we'll see. We shall see if it's really sealed, or if I'm just tripping. All right, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in on this vlog and day in life and mukbang and all that. Y'all stay tuned for the video of me prepping these vegetables and these fruits, me placing them in jars. Y'all stay tuned for me in the shed and what's going on in there. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and follow me on my socials. Bye.